this method sometimes, depending on what you are doing, could work a little bit better or at least provide some information. So in this case, what I want to test for sure is first of all the infrared. So I go here, and what I see immediately from this picture is that coffee becomes totally transparent. So these organic stains in manuscripts generally, they disappear when you do the infrared. What we see is that iron gulling also becomes much more transparent. Iron gulling, there are thousands of recipes to make these inks. So some iron gulling becomes more or less transparent when we do the king. When I put the lamp, now I remove the lamp, now I'm shining the lamp, just the yellow become brighter. So this is an effect typical of cadmium pigments, so cadmium red and cadmium yellow. And it's called infrared fluorescence. So with this method, I have a painting, manuscripts, it's immediately taking this image in the darkness to figure out if there is one of these modern pigments on it.